Hello guys, I'm wearing rugged t-shirt because and with my knife because we will go to the farm and get some vegetables there for our lunch with my aripakot, with my angel, with this guy. He came here in Philippines for the first time in our place in our province.
But not.
They are my angel of no mercy. They are my angel. My mom is over there already there. This is my view in my place. This is the view where I grew up. Here we will go to the farm. I will going to do a farm tour today. I will farm tour in our farm. Oh no. Farm tour. This is the way using this knife. There my angel. My mom is there wearing a hat, wearing a red t-shirt. Hello.
Hello.
And here there is our two carabao of my uncle. This is our farm here. They already harvest the rice. Harvest already the rice. The dug, our dug. This is also a cow. Cow.
Ikis mo kali.
Yeah, it's a cow. It's a cow. My auntie's cow. So friendly. We are here now, guys. We are here now at the farm. This is my brother's farm. This one. So this one, you call that one. This one with yellow flower. This one can also eat, but then nothing yet. They are still flowering. Hindi pa sila masarap yan yung tinatawag nila na cardis. Pero I don't know what's in English. I only know cardis. We have papaya. Downstairs, this is my auntie's farm. They also harvest the rice. Here, other view. This is the view here. My boyfriend is there. Pinapunta ka siya dito para makapasyal. Since nung nag-abroad ako, hindi na ako nakapunta dito, guys. Kaya ngayon ulit ako po makapunta dito sa amin.
Nilaway doon mo sa. Kayo noon namang ngitin sa iPhone dila. Kayo naman diligan ho.
At doon sa kabila, ipupunta ko kayo doon sa kabila mamaya doon sa aming ibang farm din. Punta muna kami doon kukuha ng aming iluluto for lunch, ulam. Ng aming ulam. Ito oh. Masarap ito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong English nito, pero ay, this is so yummy. Really yummy.
Palang.
We call this buligan in our dialect, or palang. And we can eat the very young one and then the very hard one. The old one is so yummy also with the salted sauce. There's a carabao there, as you can see. It's a carabao. My mom.
Nagbuto na alas 2 ito.
My mom. We are going to harvest. Nasa English na dinukan. Inusokon. My mom plant this one.
Sumod ka. Susunod na ni. Pati na ganun.
And now, guys, nandito kami sa sa bukid. Kukuha kami ng mga ganito, oh. Ito. Inuulam namin to dito, pero hindi ko alam sa ibang lugar kung meron silang ganito, pero sa amin marami to. This is very organic, guys. Napaka-organic nito, guys, kasi you don't need chemical to put in here. Hindi mo na kailangang Ito, tumutubo lang dito sa may bukid. Pero, galing. Tara na! Habis na tayo, guys! Namiss ko to, guys, kasi nung elementary ako, high school, lagi ako nag-uulam dito, pero now, no more. Wala nung nag-abroad ako, wala na, hindi na ako nakakatikim ng mga ganito. Pero ang sarap-sarap nito, guys, ah! Kung bibilhin mo to sa market, ang mahal, pero bihira lang po ito sa market. Ito, oo. Madali lang siyang kumuha. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Yan lang. Hilain lang. Okay, oh. See? There. Kung lulutuin mo, tanggalin mo lang yung ito. Hugasan natin mamaya. Papakita ko mamaya. So, ito na nga. Ito na yung kinuha ko kanina. See? They are my angel. They are all my niece. This one is my daughter. They are all my niece, my brothers, daughter and son. These guys, see, they already have seeds, but not yet. Cannot eat yet. This is so yummy together with this kundoy. See? My mom plant this one. My mom plant. And my brother plant this one. This is a broom. Soft broom. This is our product here. Soft broom. Here in La Union, Bagulin. Soft broom. This is my mother's farm. Our farm. But it's not mine. Hindi ko pag-aari. Ito oh guys. Ito yung organic na sitaw. Napaka-organic nito. Paglaki nito, masarap siya. Lagyan ng freezes. Pero wala pa siya, ma'am. Hindi pa sila, My mom is just planting. Yan. Ito, hanggang doon sa baba. Tayo sa baba. Pakita ko. Hanggang doon sa baba. Farm yun hanggang sa baba. Ito. They just harvest rice, yung palay. Nung mga October yata, yung harvest sila. October sila nag-harvest. We plant here on the other side. We plant soft broom, banana, like that sili. Yung what is sili? Ayun doon sa baba. That's the view here. See? Makikita doon na banda is what we call San Gabriel, La Union. There. Dito kitang-kita mo talaga ang view kasi dito sa amin, this is the highest point of Bagulin, La Union. Kaya yung view nakikita mo doon is still Bagulin. Kung pupunta kami dito sa amin, doon kami dumadaan, parang malayo pero malapit lang yan, oh. Yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda nito pag gabi, yung light din. Punta tayo doon. Han? At sa banana. Gusto kong kumain ng banana kasi meron kami banana yung nabibinta yung binibili ba natin sa Hong Kong. Ganun. Kaso nga lang wala pang wala pa silang mga bunga. See? Yan. This is my parents' farm. Downstairs. Until they're downstairs. Yeah, but so far, yeah. Magkukwento ako sa inyo guys. Alam nyo guys, nung high school ako, dito ako lagi nag-aano ko ng mga soft broom dito. Kasi kung hinarvest mo yung soft broom, kailangan mong linisin yun para matanggal yung mga dito ako lagi-lagi nag-harvest kami ng palay, nagtatanim kami ng palay dito. Ganun ang life ko before. Ito ang aming may farm farm ng aking mga parents, farm ng mama ko, mga kapatid, mga kuya ko. Hanggang doon sa kabila. Huwag na ako punta. Ang init sobra. Ganyan ang view dito. Pero pagka ano dito, pagka PM na, mga 4 ganon. Ang sarap ng hangin dito, napakasarap.
Ano, nakapangin ita ba? Do, sige po na. Kasandakon. Hindi yun. Doon.
This kind of vegetable seeds.
Ano ka to?
What's that?
Okay. Ang mabalin ako. Asandakon?
This is very, you know, this is so much organic, very, very organic because they just grown up here.
Hindi ako nasan nga to.
So many. We have so many tree, but this is a mango, native mango. See, it's a native mango, but no fruits yet. This is a fruits, but I don't know if it is ripe already. My niece is climbing from over there to there. She try if it is ripe. This is so yummy, like cherry.
Ano daw yan?
Like cherry.
Just eat like this?
Yep.
Kaso masarap. Diyan ka.
In this farm, guys, we have a shell here. Shell. This is my uncle's farm. My mother's sister. We have a lot of shells here, but I don't like to go there because it's so wet. Don't like to wet my hand and my foot. The shell here is so yummy. Can eat also, but they're also small. So you can see the black ones is small. Oh. There, it's big. I don't like to go in it. When I was elementary or high school, I always come here and get shells to eat. So yummy. Yeah, only here is farm. Upstairs, up there is my mom's shell and my mom's farm. Okay, let's go.